Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide multiple product categories from single product pages in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in single product page and this is our meta section, and then you see categories, candles, ceramic, mask. So we are going to hide more than one category using custom code in meta section in single product pages. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see array and then you see multiple product categories, candles, mask. So this is our product category slug. Now go to product category page and then you see slug. So you can add product category slug according to your requirement. Back to code. So now you see 2. If you want you can add more. Copy this and then add comma, then paste. So you can add your product category slug here. So it's up to you. So this code apply on all WooCommerce single product pages. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Now go to product page, refresh the page. Now you see 3 categories and then you see 2 category hide. Only see ceramic, candle and mask category hide by using custom code in single product pages. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.